This video is sponsored by Skybits, commercial telematics and logistics solutions for enterprise and local fleets. Visit skybits.com to learn more.
I'm Alex Chrissy, Senior Editor of Fleet Equipment Magazine, and this is Fleet Equipment's On the Road. Let's talk video telematics. Many fleets are making use of cameras that can be installed throughout the truck. The typical video telematics system is made up of a series of cameras and sensors that monitor driver and truck behavior and set alerts to the fleet manager if certain parameters are exceeded or violated. These parameters are typically customizable and are set by the fleet, for instance, a hard braking event or exceeding the speed limit by a certain amount. Also customizable is your camera setup. Fleets can typically choose from options including forward-facing, backup, blind spot, and driver-facing cameras. So why spec video telematics? There are two main benefits. The first and easiest to see from an ROI perspective is the ability to exonerate a fleet in court after an accident and avoid exorbitant litigation fees. The second benefit, though one that's harder to measure, is the ability to coach driver behavior and help drivers rid themselves of bad habits. Video telematics are a newer option in the telematics industry, but it's one that fleets are starting to take advantage of, and one whose benefits are only starting to be realized. If you want more in-depth trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.